All right, number 2, we want to solve the equation and write the solution set with exact solutions. We have log, put it down a little bit, log of 3x minus 6 equals log of 5x. Okay, so since both the logs are the same with the same base, we can ignore that part. Those parts are already the same. That means that these parts are going to be the same if these two are indeed equal. So we're going to just focus on the 3x minus 6 equal 5. Equals 5x. We're going to solve by subtracting 3x. So that will give us a negative 6 equals, subtract 3x from 5. That will give us 2x. Divide by 2. And that gives us negative 3 equals x. Now, this is the solution that we got. We need to check it. If we plug in a negative 3 here, we get 3 times negative 3, negative 9. Negative 9 minus 6 will give us a negative 15. Now, we cannot take the log of negative 15, so that won't work. But 5 times, again, negative 3 will give me negative 15. So that is the answer that makes them both the same. But since we cannot take the log of a negative number, there will be no solution. So it doesn't work. We'll just say empty set. There's no solution for this. Number 3, we want to solve the equation. Z squared, log of z squared plus 7z equals log of 18. And then again, since both the logs are the same with the same base understood 10, we'll just focus on the arguments being equal and set those equal. So z squared plus 7z equal 18. Subtract 18, z squared plus 7z minus 18 equal 0. Again, we have a quadratic. We'll see if it will factor. 1 times 18, we get 18. Factors of 18, 1 and 18, 2 and 9, and we want to subtract to get 7, so 2 and 9 are what we're looking for. Z at the 2 and the 9. We need a positive 7, so this 9 needs to be positive, and we need to subtract 2 to get 7. So here are our two factored forms. Set them equal to 0. We get z equals positive 2 and z equals negative 9. But of course we need to check and make sure these work. Usually when I see a negative, that one kind of makes me question. Most of the time the positive one usually works. So let's check. If I plug in a positive 2, positive, this is positive, so this will work out. If I plug in a negative 9 squared will give me a positive 81. But 9 times 7 will give me a negative 63. That positive 81 will subtract the 63, will still work out to be positive. So in this case, they both check out. And so we get two solutions. The exact solution set is, and we're going to put it in braces, positive 2 and a negative 9.